Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a quick but useful look at the VANTRUE N4 Pro S, a premium 3-channel dash cam built for serious everyday protection. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this dash cam at the best price. The VANTRUE N4 Pro S is designed for drivers who want full confidence on the road and while parked, capturing the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle at the same time. The front camera records in true 4K, the cabin camera handles clear 1080p footage with infrared support, and the rear camera delivers sharp 2.5K video, which is a noticeable upgrade over standard rear cams. Thanks to Triple STARVIS 2 sensors, video quality stays clean and detailed even in difficult lighting, making license plates and faces easier to identify day or night. Night performance is where this dash cam really stands out. The combination of HDR, advanced night vision, and IR LEDs means low-light driving and interior recording look far more natural and usable than most competitors. Voice control is another practical touch, letting you lock clips or take photos without reaching for the camera. Built-in GPS tracks speed and location, while fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes it easy to review and share footage through the VANTRUE app. Parking mode is a big plus here. With buffered motion detection, the camera records moments before and after an impact or movement, giving real context instead of partial clips. Support for up to 1 TB of storage means fewer worries about running out of space, even with high-resolution recording. There are a few downsides worth noting. This is not a budget dash cam, and to unlock full parking mode features, a hardwire kit is required. The setup also takes a bit more time due to the 3-camera system. Still, for professional drivers, families, or anyone serious about vehicle security, the value is clear. If you want reliable evidence, excellent night footage, and true 3-channel coverage, the VANTRUE N4 Pro S is a strong choice. Check the link in the description below to see the latest deal and decide if this dash cam is right for your drive.